Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Sao Paulo Yellow with the Silverstone interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Sao Paulo Yellow. This is our first 2026 to arrive. And there's the welcoming animation from the headlights. So let me just do a lap all the way around. And then we can take a closer look at all the details. And I don't think that there's any differences between 2026 and 2025 in terms of what's available and how it can be equipped. But we'll go through it all anyways. So let's take a look at all the details. So we've got the poster color for the M4 in 2021 when the G82 was announced. This was the color it came in. So it was Sao Paulo and Merino. So this is Sao Paulo Yellow. We've got the nice lines coming down the hood with the sculpted arches right there. And we've got the rondelle up front and center. And we've got the vertical kidney grille with the horizontal slats, M4 competition badging on the driver's side. We've got the camera in the center there. And we've got the new snake eye style headlights. So there's the welcome light animation when you press unlock. And if I go ahead and press and hold panic for 1 second, we can get the full low beam system lit up. So that's what that looks like with the pathway lighting. And let's take a little bit of a closer look at these headlights. So we've got the blue accents in there, and we've got the stacked LEDs there as well. Just like that. So that looks pretty sweet. I think snake eye headlights are very bold, and I think they look really good. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front, 20-inch rear, double spoke 826M wheels in jet black, and we've got the red M compound brake back there. I really like red brakes with black wheels. I think the contrast looks sweet. And we have M4 Competition on the fender here, and we've got a line that goes around and down and then swoops up through the door. And we've got the black rocker panel down here, black M wing mirror with integrated turn signal and camera, carbon fiber roof up top, the new style antenna. We have the previous style door handle with touch comfort access. We've got the spoiler on the back here. There's that wide rear quarter, look at that, with the 20-inch 826M wheel. I love how concave it is in the back there. That looks sweet. And of course, we've got the little red M compound brake there. Now the back, as part of the LCI from 2025, we do have the laser tail lights, which you know are one of my favorites. So you can see the lines traveling all the way up and how they fold around. That just looks sweet. M4 Competition badging with the silver lining here. And we've got the vertical reflectors on each side. Quad exhaust with diffuser down here at the bottom. That looks awesome. So let me go ahead and press tailgate release on the key there. There's also the micro switch just there above the license plate. Carpeted mats down here. We have some release levers to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Grocery bag hanger is here. There's a plastic storage bin here. And this side, front plate bracket, tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook, all that is inside of here. And when we're done with this, there's a button to close, another one to close and lock. So we'll just close it for now. And just because we're still back here, laser tail lights on one more time. Sweet. Now on the passenger side, you'll find the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this, and then it's clockwise, one click to shut this. Now let's just take a step back and look at the side profile. M4 looks sick. And if I open up the passenger door here, So inside, we've got the stitching going across the door panel. I put on some Citrine ambient light, and we've got the galvanic controls for unlock, lock, and window switch. There's another little storage space down here, some stitching going across, Harman Kardon sound system, M4 aluminum dorsal, M carbon buckets in Silverstone, so that looks sweet. We also have the M4 badging illuminating on the headrest. We have carbon fiber on the crotch, and down here we've got side bolster. We also have carbon fiber trim on the inside here. We have iDrive 8.5 with the M specific layout. We've got the new vent designs. We've got the new cascading light design with Citrine. Glove box is down here, and carbon fiber in here looks awesome. Down here there's a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. There's the M gear selector, red push start button. We've got some nice stitching on the center console. USB Type-C's inside of here. And we've got M seat belts. And if I lift this up on the shoulder, the seat will move forward, allowing us access to get into the rear area. And back here, we also have some seat belts, M colors. We also have some vents on the back of the center console. And over here, we've got some hooks on each side, reading lights up top, and we've got the black headliner. So it's just the two seating positions back here. Also a little storage space here. And we've got the winter mats in. There's more vents underneath the front seats. And when you put the seats into the recline angle, it'll go back to where it was previously situated. So now that we've had a look at all that, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, if we approach from the driver door, open that up. So again, we've got the nice stitching going across, Harman Kardon, ambient light, unlock, lock, memory, windows, side mirrors, tailgate release. You can press that to open, pull and hold it to close while the key's inside. M4 door sill. Another look at these beautiful M carbon buckets in Silverstone. Full power seat with side bolster. The new 2025 flat bottom steering wheel. So we've got the M tricolor stitching going all the way around. We have carbon fiber on the steering wheel, 12 o'clock marker, flat bottom with M at 6 o'clock, M1 config, M2 config. We've got the paddles in carbon fiber as well with the red grips on the back. And head-up display. We have your rear view mirror, and there are the universal garage door buttons underneath here. Up top, visor can come down, lights turn on with that. And the visor can come out, and the visor can extend as well. So, this car has regular cruise control, but it does have the 360 cam, so you will be able to have this car automatically back park and automatically parallel park as well. It can also do backup assistance, so it has a memory of 50 meters how you went forward, and it can guide you backwards the same way you went forwards. And we've got the 3D view that you could also see through the My BMW app. So that is sweet. Now down here, there's a storage compartment. And further down, it's two pulls, 1, 2. So let's go take a look at what is under the hood. So we just have to lift this up. And there it is. The beautiful S58 3-liter inline-six twin turbo, 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the triangular strut brace. We have positive battery terminal. We have negative battery terminal. We have washer fluid over here. But just look at this thing. I know Sao Paulo is not everyone's first choice. It's an extremely bold color, but it is hot. Look at that. We've got two latches under the hood, so you just got to make sure that they both close at the same time, so roughly from halfway, literally just send her down. Beauty. And the M cars have a 2,000 kilometer break-in service, so for that first 2,000 kilometers, try not to top out every gear. There'll be no launch control or anything like that, and try not to brake excessively if you don't need to. So, This thing looks amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so before we conclude the video, we're gonna do one more lap all the way around. And I think this looks awesome. I really like the Silverstone interior with the M carbon buckets. I know it's gonna be hard potentially to keep them as clean as they are now, but curb appeal wise, it looks sweet. So how do you like the 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Sao Paulo Yellow? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Sao Paulo Yellow with the Silverstone M carbon buckets inside. We've got the red M compound brakes, black A26M wheels. How do you like the spec? So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.